So I've got the Hoover out, as you can see. I'm going to give it a good clean up, and then I'm going to have a good clean up of all the parts. That's it for this cleaning. You know, it's not perfect. I wasn't trying to get it perfect. I just wanted to clean it up a bit. So that's a computer case on your left, completely empty. Quickly show you. See that? A little bit dust still in now. Can easily get rid of that and mess about the wires if I have to. But that's that basically done. And then you've got your motherboard. Now, I think it's an ASUS motherboard, sure as I said, I think it's an ASUS. So that's been completely cleaned, and also I cleaned off the processor, as you can see there. So that should be alright for when I repaste it again. And then your RAM's been cleaned, your heatsink's been cleaned, hard drives and the graphics card. Oh, and also the power supply. I don't know what to do about all them wires, too many, so I'll have to sort them out and tidy them up, whatever case I put it in. Like I say, it's a big unit, big power supply. Unless I've got another one spare, I might have another one, I'll have a look. So with that, I'll move the camera back round. So that's the end of this video. Again, I'm going to decide whether to put in a new case, just buy a cheap case, maybe slightly different to that. Maybe even with a glass on it, like the big boy over there. Cause I think it looks fantastic personally, and I think I've got some LED fans. I'm pretty sure I have. So if I keep that one, I'll stick them in there. If I don't keep it, I'll try and use them on the other one. And maybe I might change the power supply. Yeah, if someone wants to sponsor me on another power supply or some bits of my PC, I'm quite welcome to accept them. Anyway, that's the end of this video for now. So if you have any comments, please post them below. If you like my video, give me the thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. and please subscribe and look out for the next part of this video. Thank you very much for watching.